That's the spot. That's the spot where you keep cutting it. Reload. Reload. That spot. Why do you keep closing it like that? When no one flips in your area, you just talk to yourself. Oh shit, I figured out something last night and the whole knife just started feeling different. Like it feels like, I don't know, I just really felt the weight of it for the first time, and like it just feels like sticks hitting against my bones or something. Like it's just bone on bone. Leave that beautiful knife to look at. Hopefully I don't hit it with this one, with the reload. I figured out today that instead of picking one up, I just reload with this with the same knife. Anyway, if you think I've hit some kind of weird breakthrough door or something, I'm pretty sure I did. It just feels like a stick between my bones. If you know what I'm talking about. Maybe the same thing happened. Yeah, I could even 0G ladder last night, and I suck at that trick. I don't know, I could just feel the momentum different and actually feel it this time. Hold on, I got a fresh reload. I can feel it, it's right there, about to come out. Hey, 0G like this. Oh shit. Okay, one more reload. Okay, just right into the 0G. Let's do it. Oh fuck. Alright, one more reload. It's like an amusement park ride that you get unlimited rides. Okay, ready? I could feel it right there. Wait a second. I'm gonna get you one. Yeah. I was doing it last night. Whatever, I'll be back.